So guys, this is Effurun spare parts market area where you have the U-turn. If you are coming from the Flower and you are coming from Sapele direction. If you recall, this road, the section is being handled by Julius Berger, while the other side is being handled by CCECC. And this area you are seeing now, CCECC has constructed the road to meet with that of Julius Berger that is currently working from the other side of the flyover to this area. What is remaining at the moment are the side that you are seeing here now. That is what is remaining on this road. And the other side of the road is being handled by Julius Berger. Meanwhile, CCECC, they are the one carrying out the reconstruction of this road from a metal bridge down to this full spare parts market area. So from this road you are seeing, I see that this left hand side, if you are heading towards the Sapele, has been completed to where the Julius Berger stop, while the right hand side, where those vehicles are passing at the moment, they stop somewhere by that filling station that we are seeing there now. I will show you the spot, the particular spot where that work stop. But the distance between that spot and the other side where Julius Berger's stop is not up to 100 meters. So that means the CCECC, they have been able to work assiduously to meet up with the 12-month calendar period that was given to them by the Delta State government to complete this road project. Because if you remember, some few months back, this area was not accessible. It was giving nightmare to commuters and all manners of road users, including pedestrians. So you see that drainages have been done on this section. Then this spot that we are seeing here now, this is where they have done the work up to this place we are seeing now. So the distance between this place and the spare parts U-turn is not up to 100 meter. So maybe by the time they are done with this other section they are currently working on now, they will not divert the attention of the traffic from that side to this side, while they focus on the distance between that place and this area, that is the spare parts market area. So guys, if you take a look, you see that they are working seriously in this area. They have even put in road dividers on this road for them to tell you that they are serious about this section of the road. Though the only thing I observe on this road is that they have removed the concrete machine from this road. Maybe they have taken it to other area, but though their equipment are still on ground, but they are not visible. Unlike some few months back where you see the concrete mixing machine and so on and so forth on this road. Though I was made to understand that at the moment you are currently working in other part of Delta State here. I remember on the 1st of August I came to this place and I saw one of the engineer on site it made me to understand that the road that is leading from Osubi down to Eku, that is to say from the area of Ugulu down to Eku, is being handled by CCECC. They are the one handling that section of that road down to Eku, because I recall that about 2 weeks ago when I traveled to Agbo, they were already excavating the asphalt from the road using the milling machine on that area of that road. So, and they made me to understand that after the election, there are going to be other notable jobs that will be carried out by CCECC in this area, because at the moment, CCEC, they are equally doing some work in Asaba area. If you take a closer look, you see that the flyover that is headed to Second Niger Bridge is being handled by CCECC at the moment. Maybe one of these days I will take you to that area so that you see the level of work that is being carried out by CCECC over there. And you equally recall that in Edo State, the Rama Park that was done over there was being carried out by the same CCECC. That is the company that is handling this project now. They are the one that handled that of Benin City Rama Park flyover area. That project has been completed at the moment. Maybe remaining one or two things to be done in that area. Then also in Asaba, they are the one handling it from that Opanamu area down to the second Niger Bridge in Asaba, down to Onisha area. You know, I've done a video about that Oko area. You can check it out in my video catalog. But this current work they are doing in Sabana, I've not been able to reach there, but maybe I will take you towards that area so that you will have an eyesore of what a CCEC are currently doing in that area. So guys, on this road project, you see that there's a kind of a jump. Maybe they want to achieve something by trying to divert the attention of commuters from where we are coming from, so that they can concentrate on that gap between where they stop and the Effurun U-turn area where you have the spare parts market in Effurun. So guys, share your thought on what you are seeing on this road project, whether the CCECC they are doing the work to specification, or they are fast enough, because from what I'm seeing on this road shows that in the next couple of months, maybe between now and October ending, everything about this project must have been completed. Because I remember between Saturday and today, which is Thursday, just a difference of 5 days. Today is just 6th of August 2026. Between Saturday, which was on the 1st, and 6th of August 2026, there are significant changes. Because I recall in that on that 1st of August, they were doing a stabilization in where you have that spare parts U-turn market. Lo and behold, when I came back today, being Thursday 6th, I found out that they have even put a stone base, they have put in concrete on that section. So that means they are working with specification and trying to meet up target so that they can benefit from the more agenda of a data city government. Thank you.
You may recall the reconstruction of the Warri Sapele Benin Road between Ameta Bridge and the spare part market U-turn in Effurun, Delta State is one of the most important highway rehabilitation projects in southern Nigeria. This, this strategic corridor serves as a major gateway linking Warri, Sapele, Benin, and others several communities across the South-South region, carrying thousands of commuters, commercial vehicles, and heavy-duty trucks every day. For many years, the road deteriorated severely, resulting in massive traffic congestion, frequent road accidents, damage to vehicles, and significant delays in the movement of people and goods. In response to this challenge, the Delta State government intervened to reconstruct the most critical section of the federal highway. This project was officially flagged off on the 14th of October 2025 by the Governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Warri, during a groundbreaking ceremony held in Ometa. The reconstruction covered approximately 10 kilometers of dual carriage way, extending from Spare Parts Market U-turn through Ohore Junction to just before Ometa Bridge in Uwe and Okwe local government area. The contract was awarded to Chinese Civil Engineering Construction Corporation (CCECC) at an estimated cost of 35.7 billion. The project includes reinforced concrete pavement, wider carriageway and shoulders, modern stormwater drainage system, and other engineering improvement designed to provide a durable road with a longer service life. Upon completion, the reconstructed highway is expected to significantly reduce travel time, improve road safety, ease traffic congestion, support economic activities, facilitate trade between Delta and Edo states, and enhance connectivity throughout the Niger Delta region. The project also complements the ongoing flyover and road infrastructure development in Effurun and Warri, contributing to improve transportation and regional economic growth.
So, guys, this session shows that a lot has been achieved in this area. If you recall the last video I did, that was around June. I said that this section of the road, I am not seeing a drainage on it. But what the Delta State government said, that there's going to be 12-kilometer drainage system on this road. But I don't know the area where this 12-kilometer is expected to be, whether from where you have this drainage from Mercy City down to Effurun spare part market area, I don't know. But just like what I said in that video, I said that the road is still under construction, so there's no much to be said about that area of drainage. But meanwhile, this section has been completed from what we are seeing, apart from the side that you are seeing there now. If not, everything that has to do with this area has been completed at the moment. So, guys, just share your thought on what you are seeing on this road construction. And I just pray that the other phase section of Sapele GC Mosuga and Ogara area will be properly taken care of, because I was made to understand that Obakbo Engineering Construction Company are currently undergoing some maintenance and work over there. So I just pray that let that area be fixed as soon as possible, so that Edo Delta Road will be motorable and there will be ease of traffic congestion in this area. So, guys, share your thoughts on what you are seeing on this route, because as we speak, I just have to end my video in this area so that you guys can see the extent this work has been done in this area. Thank you.
So guys, I have been taking you around the other side of the Effurun about the spare part area where CCECC is doing this construction to this other side of Metal Bridge. Because it's getting dark, I could not get to that area. So let me wrap it up from here. Because the lot have taken place on this road, and with what we have seen so far shows that the work is almost completed. Because this particular lane has been completed to the other side of that a full spare part market, while remaining some little portion uh, that is not up to 100 meters on this other lane. So that means this 5 kilometers road on both sides is almost completed in this area. So if you like what you see on this video, give my videos a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fred Kuburi is my name. See you in my next video. Thank you.